Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Creative Party Printables, where we make party printables that will wow your guests and save you both time and money. Today we are looking at our airplane theme party chip bags that you can find over on our Etsy shop. I'll have a link in the description box down below. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Okay, let's check out the different themes that we have. Okay, right now you're looking at our girl version of our airplane theme party chip bags that you can also find over in our Etsy shop. I'll have a link in the description box down below also. All right, guys, if you're interested in any of these designs, you can click the link in the description box down below. If you have any questions, please drop me a comment. Hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when we post more party printables. Also, head on over to our website, hangingwiththekiddos.com, and subscribe to our newsletter. We send out free party printables all the time. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time.